Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to do floating effect on Capcut. Without further ado, let's get started. Now first, add your pictures. This will be your background and this is my object. Now I'll adjust it to make it center. Now after that, go to Effects and search for Pendulum Effect. Now drag this one to your object and change its strength. Now after that, search again to Effects for Edge Glow. Now drag it up to the end of your video. Now select your object and go to Animation. Now for in animation, choose the slide up. And for out, choose the fade out. And then same to your background, the fade out one. And then this is how it looks like. And then that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.